Hey guys, what's up? It's probably the last video you need for set up your Hermes agent. In this video, I'll talk about everything that you need for it. In my previous video, I talk about the Hermes agent setup. Please go to this video and show that. And in this video, we'll talk about how to set up your harness. It's the product company from browser use. You know that probably. And this is a self-healing browser automation tool. The the cool part is our Hermes agent also a self-learning agent. To to make this thing, it's very uh, useful for us. And next to we you know how and you back up your uh, all thing like SQL modules and session in uh, GitHub. So if sometimes if any reason break our cloud provider or PPS, it's from GitHub repo we can back up our all thing and work with that. And next we talk about free cloud code. It's similar to cloud code. Some days ago, the company from Anthropic leaks a cloud code source code. From that, and a person build free cloud code. With free cloud code, you can run this with any API provider, and here we can use NVIDIA uh, name. So with NVIDIA name, uh, you can get 14 API call per minute. So it is enough for us for build any project. Basically, it is fully free. Then we can set up our project in GitHub with personal token. So if we build a project like to do app, and then we only simply tell push this code my GitHub. So he push that code and build that project, and it can build create repo, delete repo, anything he works. Next we talk about the sandbox and setup in our system. So, if we suppose we build a to do app, so this Hermes agent has no capability for run this in our system. So he will run this sandbox in a different environment. So our main system will not affected with that if the any error found. So and then it will monitor that it is okay, and if not okay, a reviewer agent give the feedback. Then we recreate that and push in GitHub repo.
For install browser harness in your system, you have to reload your terminal and paste this command. I will give you all this code for easy to use and paste in your terminal. So after colon this repo, you have to install UV package manager. So copy this link UV package manager Python and paste in your terminal. It will install UV package manager in your terminal. Then you have to uh, clone the harness uh, repository in your system, or whatever system you can use, like hosting in your local server, all are same. And after installing that, you have to configure uh, your skill, browser harness skill, so that the harness agent can understand it installed in its system. After install Hermes browser, you have to create a API key in browser use, so that you can connect with the internet and browse, escape whatever you need. You can via this you can take photo, like I need this website, go my this website and take photo and tell how I need improvement, like all these thing you can do with this. Paste your API key here Don't share your API key with anyone. I will delete this after publish this video, and I paste in my terminal. Alternative you can use by chatbot, but I don't do that because the security issue. Now I told simply in English that I copy the path where the API was saved. So I tell here my API was saved. Can you have access, or can you know that? Yes, it can see my browser. So I give a task. Go to ycombinator.com and grab top 15 recent posts for his title, school author, content. It says errors. Mm, I think it needs some permission. So I am reloading and uh, repasted the register command so that this problem will solve. When you say this error, please reload or command this register, or in this video any part you break, please simply tell ChatGPT or Cloud. That will the ultimate era of AI. You can solve anything via this. And also, you when you get a problem, you can solve this Hermes and you set up this in your terminal. It is very powerful. Please use this. So I paste that uh, query again and see is it can do that or not. It writed that in show dash n dot json. Mm, that is the location where this was written. So successfully he give 15 list. So post has been successfully saved in JSON format. Following path, and that is the path. So after that, now we have to back up this in our GitHub so that any kind of problem we can restore from that, like your uh, virtual environment or virtual this system will if collapse, you can simply back up from your GitHub. There you can save your memory, skill, anything you want. So for that, create a fine granted token, simply and verify in your with your phone. If you need it, you can verify. My I set a two-step verification, so I needed this. After that, you can select the time, the expiration, and I select only this. Select a repository. I don't need to permission all of this my repo. It is because that is sensitive, and please permission content and read and write. Generate token. Okay, my content token was generated. Now I have to paste in my terminal so that my Hermes agent can access that terminal config. Set up GitHub token. Paste that token. Boom. So I have to copy this location and simply told that Hermes if it can see that. Do you see the GitHub env? it in this location. So I think uh, it will see that. I think yes, environment appears to be configured with okay. Find that. So I tell every day, daily 3 a.m. back up my all thing in this and that repo that we created. So I think this will back up that in that repo. Okay, it need a permission. Okay, once you allow once for this session. Okay, whatever you want. I select allow once. It's simple English. It's working. Mm, it solved the error itself. When I see many times it get error and uh, try alternate way and solve that error. I- In this uh, operation, it get a error. I thought it will break, but thank God it solved that. Uh, it not okay. It's not finished work. After finished the work, we will see the backup file in our repository. It is still working. Yes, his backup file is successfully files up 225 MB and it compressed that 71.7 MB. Boom! It back up my file because it by makes you want to make sure that the file is working. That was working. Now we get uh, tell about the free cloud code that is similar to cloud code. So it's says that because we use a browser harness via that it can see this and read the readme file. So I told install it and use Savagent for coding. I will do all coding tasks with this because we using this free cloud code you via NVIDIA API that comes free, so that will reduce my API cost. I and I if I use the open router for this Hermes and the backend cloud code for NVIDIA API, it will totally free. You don't need very uh, API cost or API bill. So I told Clear is this is a free version of Cloud Code and it is a this is a Cloud Code. Okay, it set up Hermes agent, sub agent, skill name free Cloud Code. It's created skill itself. It can created skill itself from your tip query. If you do anything repetitive, it will make a skill. That's the power of Hermes and uh, pause and see that two command that I paste and come in this terminal and then for NVIDIA API you have to go this website and after that you have to sign up and login in this website. So I am logging and in the model section you can find all P model that also you can download in your PC. Create API key. It's very simple. If you use any other API key, it's similar with that. So for find a free API, you have to select this free endpoint that will come with free API. Otherwise, that all your API key was visible. So paste that model with the company name. Uh, like if I use this Minimax, I have to make this format after before the model name. I have to paste NVIDIA dash name. It's the format for this free cloud code. You have to maintain that, otherwise you got error. So I am pasting my model name. I using Mistral AI 70 plus 600 plus billion parameter. So it's enough, it's good for the coding tasks. So I don't have to for after that you have to paste control and X. Next you have to uh, keep a type N for don't modify. And now I am in Hermes chat interface. So I am telling, do you have access p cloud code? I want to make sure is it working or not. So see what it telling. He find the pre-cloud code skill alternative integration with Hermes UV package. Yes, check it work or not. I want to make sure is it working or not, because people using it with real cloud code. I never see anyone who use this free cloud code in with a Hermes agent. So I have to make sure is it work or not. Mm, yes, it's work perfectly. Congratulations, brother. You worked. It's work. If you are still seeing my video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. So I can ask, is it work? I am very confusing, and that is it work or not. Yes, worked. So I want to write code via this cloud code and push in my GitHub repository. So I tell this for that which API token or kind of token I need for uh, set up my GitHub. So seeing what is a part of the project setup with in GitHub. We successfully done pre-cloud code setup with Hermes. Now we are setting our GitHub uh, repository. So, but and then we when we tell Hermes created this repository, reload this repository, add this code in that repository, delete that, push that, whatever you ask, the Hermes can do that. So it's give the instruction for that. So I am telling which token, any token we need. Mm, for that it told a personal access token it needed. So that we have to create a personal access token from GitHub and paste here. So let's create that personal token. Go developer setting, forum setting option. Create token classic and then generate new token. uh, Top right, I created my token, generate new token classic. So pick a name for this and select the scopes, or provide package it, delete package admin org, and create token. Okay, I've already been okay. Hermes 2.0. I keep the token and I paste here and told save the token, this token in your uh, env file, so that I haven't give this uh, again. So it is saved the file, a password token name. Okay. Create a simple app using pre-code code with routes, adding listing and deleting tags, commit, and okay. It create a simple to-do app and add in our Hermes project. When we create any project, we will push this code here, and from there we can test other thing. Now the project has no HTML and CSS code, so I told Hermes add that for the interactive visualization. It's writing the code. Okay, let's fix to type in Hermes project. Cool now. Okay, done. Let's see. Very good. And till schedule 1 minute. After 1 minute, it will check.